Okay, 1.2, we're talking about dilations in the coordinate plane. So this is copy paste from 1.1. So a dilation is when we're making something bigger or smaller, and that's called a scale factor. And the center of dilation is the point that we grow at or shrink at. So a dilation with center C, I want you to notice that if I draw a line, this is the center of dilation, and it goes on the edges of the new shape. This intersection point is the center of dilation. So if you're trying to find that and you already have the two shapes, you line up the sides. Okay. Also, we'll talk about this more. If the original point and the new point are actually the same point, then that's the center point. That's the dilation center. So we're going to look at some examples here. Here's an example. We have a shape ABC, and we're dilating it to A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, so if I wanted to find the center of dilation, you would actually draw lines along those edges like we talked about. So endpoint, endpoint, and then you would do the same thing on the outside. Endpoint, endpoint. I bet it's actually 0, 0. My lines aren't straight. So this intersection point is the center of dilation. And then to find the scale factor, you're looking at lengths. So you're looking at the dilated length and then the original length. So for this, our dilated is A prime to B prime. That length I can count, it's 4. And our original length, AB, is 2. So 4 over 2, 2 is the scale factor for this. It's doubled in size. All right, so here's another example. We have a quadrilateral, 4 shapes. And again, if you want to find the center, you're going to use lines. So if I line up old M to new M and new N to old M, that's actually one line. So we're going to use another one. And then L to L. See that these intersect right here? This is the center of dilation. And again, to find the scale factor, we look at lengths. So if I find the dilated length over the original length, and you're just going to count, and it just has to be the same side. So this is 1, 2, 3 from K to L. So I'm going to do the same thing on K prime to L prime, and that's 1. So 1 over 3, our scale factor would be 1/3. And that is dilations.